Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one is energy and emissions projections. There's a lot of files here. Each file has lots and lots and lots of sheets. This is just one, the policy savings. The customer that asked for this selected the certain ones that they're after, would happily, of course, add everything else if and when people ask for it. Just showing, as you can see, the layout of the data is horrendous. So to get this into a database would require the skills that we have here. Hence they asked us to do it. Here is the data. There's data going back to 1990 up to 2050, 100,000 rows, 13 tables we've done. This is the ones that we've been asked to do, but we'll add any more if anyone wants us to, no problem. And for those on watching the video who are not aware, there is no cost to asking us to add a data set. Our customers ask us to add data sets whenever they want. We add them in. Everyone, whether they're the person who asked or not, gets access to everything. Let's have a look at the sort of data. Final energy demand. So you can sort of get the idea. Types of fuel and the units and measure names and measures and snapshot dates. Let's see what else. Net zero scenarios, major power production generation. There's a sort of coverage, the measure names and so on, and several other tables. So if you want to have a good look at that, follow the link in the description and you can get a free 30-day trial instantly. You don't need to request it and then wait. As soon as you click the button, you're straight in. And if you want to get access to the data for longer, then give us a shout. Thanks.